19 people accused of arson and vandalism have been taken into custody by Kolkata police. This is after what was supposed to be a Reclaim the Night protest turned into full-on vandalism and arson, charging at the hospital premises, damaging and destroying it by the mob. 19 arrests have taken place. 5 of them have also been identified after social media feedback. Because of the visuals that went viral, some of the faces were very clearly seen. We are also putting out the images on your screen. If you recognize any one of them, if you're a resident of Bengal, of Kolkata specifically, if you recognize them, do inform the nearest police station. Look at the vandalism they have done at the hospital. There was no reason for it to damage, which is a functioning hospital right now, where there's also a crime scene, where there are patients and doctors, and there was a peaceful protest, though full of outrage, right outside it. What led hundreds of people to barge in and break the hospital premises? Suryagini is joining me for the latest on that. Suryagini, what is the latest you're picking up? Because there's a lot of anger against the state police as well. If there's been a cover-up, if they've tried to go slow and light on this case, what are the recent arrests about?
See, the recent 19 arrests that have happened is because of the case that was registered after the vandalism that had happened over here at R J Kar Hospital and Medical College. This was the exact spot where the mob, they barged in. Right now, we can see the barricades over there. There's a heavy bandobast of the police personnel, not only inside but outside as well. But that night, post 12:30, when we were walking towards this place, mayhem was the only word. These guardrails that we are seeing, Pooja, they were dismantled by the mob that went in. There are visuals. Our colleagues who saw it through their own eyes, how the mob went in, and that post which the vandalism happened. The case was registered. It was a suo motu case by the Kolkata police. They had registered it.
What is very interesting is when we are looking at these visuals, of course, these are vandals, arsonists, they need to be arrested. But there's full-on political showdown that's erupted on this. Mamata Banerjee claims these are BJP and left goons, while others are claiming if they were from the ruling party to destroy the evidence. What are you picking up about the political showdown as well? Because the focus will be of the police as much on this and to also help the CBI find who raped and murdered the woman.
Well, absolutely. There are two kinds of investigations that are happening over here in this case, as you have said. Firstly, the one that is being done by the CBI, that is in connection to the rape and murder case of the victim. That is completely separate. The police has no role in it right now. Secondly, the one is the incident that happened on 15th August, post 12 a.m. The vandalism, who were the people who were behind that particular attack? Was it planned? Were some other people involved in it who were, who instigated the crowd? So the Kolkata police, they are, what was interesting was that Kolkata police had, shared images of people who were present over here, especially the ones who were seen vandalizing not only this gate but also the emergency one. The emergency wards and all were completely vandalized. We have seen that. Various of our colleagues have reported from them. Now, what is interesting is that the Kolkata police had shared these images, asking the public to give information if they know who these people are. And so far, 19 people have been arrested in that particular case. So that's a case that's been handled by the Kolkata police, and the CBI has no role in it. So as I mentioned, that there are two cases where investigation is happening. One, the rape murder case by the CBI, and secondly, the vandalism, the attack on police, the attack on doctors by that unruly mob, which is being handled by the Kolkata police.
Stay on with me, Suryagini, stay on with me, because while more and more reactions are coming in, the focus is now, while at the investigation of was there just one accused, is he the real accused, the investigation is on by the CBI. But what followed at the R J Kar hospital, which is a functioning hospital, remember, right now as we speak,